Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Reeling in frustration with your current gear? Today we're casting the spotlight on the best spinning reel picks that'll elevate every cast. From budget-friendly models under $100 to high-performance Shimano spinning reels built for saltwater battles, we've tested them all. Whether you're after smooth drag for bass fishing, durable corrosion resistance for inshore adventures, or simply want a reliable spinning reel for your next outing, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down top spinning reels by price and purpose, so you can hook the one that perfectly matches your style. Let's get started. Number 5. KastKing Royale Legend Pro Lightweight Powerhouse Spinning Reel. The KastKing Royale Legend Pro delivers an impressive blend of strength and finesse, making it a standout choice for anglers seeking a versatile spinning reel. Its DigiCut aluminum gear provides rock-solid durability without adding excess weight, while the aerodynamic rotor ensures buttery smooth retrieves at a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. With a maximum drag of 25 pounds, this reel can muscle in larger bass or tackle inshore species with confidence. Anglers will appreciate the ergonomic TPE handle knobs that offer a secure grip even when wet, and the unique celestial finish adds a touch of style to your rod setup. The sealed drag system and corrosion-resistant components make it equally adept for freshwater and light saltwater outings. Whether you're casting soft plastics for bass or light jigs along the shoreline, the Royale Legend Pro balances responsiveness with brute force. Compact yet powerful, this model earns high marks among today's top spinning reels, ideal for anyone looking to upgrade to a premium, performance-driven fishing reel. Number 4. Penn Battle IV Spinning Reel. Rugged durability meets smooth performance. The Penn Battle IV stands out as a go-to option for anglers seeking rock-solid reliability on both freshwater and saltwater excursions. Its full metal body and side plate provide exceptional strength, while the CNC gear system delivers whisper-quiet retrieves under heavy load. With a sealed HT100 drag system offering up to 25 pounds of stopping power, depending on model size, this reel can handle feisty bass or inshore game fish without breaking a sweat. 7 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse bearing ensure fluid operation and lightning-fast hook sets. The line capacity rings help with precise spooling, reducing knots and twist, key for braided lines or heavy monofilament. Ergonomic, non-slip handle knobs, and corrosion-resistant finishes keep you comfortable and confident in wet conditions. Available from size 2,500 to 8,000, the Battle Piscifun adapts to any outing, from finesse presentations to beach surf fishing. Compact yet robust, this reel consistently ranks among today's top spinning reels for its blend of affordability, power, and long-term durability. Number 3. M1 Spinning Reel 9+1 Bearings and 26.5-pound drag. For versatile freshwater use, the M1 spinning reel redefines value with a robust 9+1 stainless steel bearing system that delivers silky smooth retrieves. Its graphite frame keeps overall weight light, ideal for all-day casting, while the CNC aluminum spool provides corrosion resistance and even line lay. At a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, it strikes a fine balance between power and speed, letting you manage everything from finesse presentations to medium crankbait work. Anglers will appreciate the impressive 26.5-pound max drag, which offers confident hook sets and control over hard-fighting species. The interchangeable handle accommodates both left and right-handed preferences, and range availability from 500 to 5,000 series ensures a perfect match for ultralight panfish rods or beefier setups. Detailed line capacity markings simplify spool setup, reducing twists and knots. Overall, this freshwater reel combines precision engineering with practical features, making it a top contender among today's spinning reels for anglers seeking high-end performance on a budget. Number 2. Piscifun Viper X Carbon Fiber Freshwater and Saltwater Spinning Reel. The Piscifun Viper X blends rugged carbon fiber construction with high-performance gearing, making it a standout for anglers tackling both freshwater bass and inshore saltwater species. Its 10+1 shielded ball bearings deliver remarkably smooth retrieves, while the sturdy 33-pound max drag system handles hard-pulling targets without hesitation. Available in sizes 500 through 5,000, you can match the reel to ultralight finesse rods or heavier setups for larger catches. Choose between a 5.2 to 1 or faster 6.2 to 1 gear ratio to suit your technique, from slow jig retrieves to quick soft plastic presentations. The CNC machined aluminum spool resists corrosion and supports even line lay, minimizing twists when using braided or monolines. Ergonomic EVA handle grips ensure comfort during long sessions, and the sealed drag and bearings fend off saltwater intrusion. Whether you're casting lightweight lures for trout or battling redfish on the flats, this model's balance of durability, smooth operation, and versatile sizing makes it a top contender among today's spinning reels. Number 1. Quantum Strive, rugged aluminum frame and carbon fiber. Extreme drag spinning reel. The Quantum Strive delivers rock-solid performance thanks to its rigid aluminum body paired with a corrosion-resistant graphite rotor. Its sealed design keeps water and debris out, ensuring smooth casts and retrieves, session after session. Featuring the CFX 200 carbon fiber Extreme drag system, this model offers precise control and up to impressive drag pressure, ideal for landing feisty bass or light saltwater species. Anglers will notice the silky operation provided by 7 stainless steel bearings, plus 1 instant anti-reverse roller. Line twists are minimized, courtesy of the CNC machined aluminum spool, and the ergonomic EVA handle knobs deliver a comfortable grip even during long battles. With a sleek silver and blue finish, the Strive looks as refined as it performs. Available in multiple sizes, from ultralight 1000 for panfish to beefier 4000 for larger game, this versatile reel adapts to a variety of techniques, from finesse presentations to crankbait work. If you're after a dependable, high-torque freshwater or inshore spinning setup, the Strive earns its place among top contenders.